Have you ever been working on a project and you've tried to get your resistor in a perf board or a breadboard like this? You try to get it in the holes and you try to get it in the holes and your resistor leads just wind up looking something like this, all scrunched up. Well, the reason for that could be two things, but mostly it's because you have unfortunately gotten a hold of some resistors with really, really thin leads. I call them angel hair leads. They're so thin. The second thing could be that you've gotten trapped with a bad breadboard that has bad receptors in it. And I've got a video on that elsewhere. But let's just talk about resistor leads. If you use these little angel hair things, they're just nothing but a pain in the butt. So here I have some stuff just for some quick comparison. And I've got a nice digital caliper here we can measure things with. So if we take a look at that angel hair, let's have a look at angel hair leads. You can't even pick them up. So here's a real lightweight lead. Let's measure that. Let's make sure we got 0 on our caliper, and we're on millimeters right now. So let's just measure that real quick. And we got about 0.33 millimeters. Trying to get the light right here so there's not too much reflection. There we go. 0.32, 0.33. Let's measure the other lead just for fun. 0.32 millimeters. Now let's measure a better quality resistor. Here's one with a little thicker leads. Compared to 0.32 or 33, here we're at 0.5 millimeters. So there's a 0.2 variance there, which doesn't sound like a lot, but it's a lot. Let's measure this one, 0.51. So 0.5 compared to 0.3. That's a big difference. And that's why you're getting these scrunched up leads. Let's take a closer look at my little pile of goodies that I have here. So there's your scrunched up leads with the angel hair resistor. And then here's some better leads with higher quality resistors. I have the LEDs here because I was going to measure the diameter of the leads on an LED as well, but that's of very little value. I've never had any trouble poking the leads of my LEDs into breadboards. It's the resistors that have always been a problem for me. Most LED leads are pretty thick, so they work out quite well. Check my website where I talk quite a bit more about resistors, and I've got a couple of resources there for you to find the resistors that have the high quality, thicker leads. And if you thought this video was worthwhile, please give it a like and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video.